In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Discord join sound. If you're tired of hearing the notification sound every time someone joins to watch your stream or activity, this guide will show you how to disable it while keeping your other notification sounds unchanged. The process is quick and only requires adjusting one setting inside Discord. Follow along, and you'll have everything set up in just a few moments. To begin, open Discord on your device. You can use either the desktop application or the web version in your browser, as both provide access to the same setting. Once Discord opens, make sure you're signed into your account and that you're on the main screen where your servers, direct messages, and conversations are visible. Next, you'll need to open your user settings. If you're using Discord on a computer, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your username, profile picture, and a small gear icon. Click the gear icon to access your personal settings. If you're using the mobile app, tap your profile picture, which is typically located in the lower right corner of the screen. While the layout may look slightly different on mobile, the settings you need are organized in a similar way. Once you're inside the settings menu, locate the notifications section. On the desktop version, it's usually found in the left sidebar under the app settings category. Select notifications to open the page where Discord manages all of your alerts and notification sounds. This section lets you customize everything from message notifications to call alerts, making it the best place to personalize your overall experience. Within the notifications page, look for the Sounds section or the dedicated Sounds tab. Open it to view the complete list of notification sounds available in Discord. You'll notice several individual sound options, each with its own toggle switch for different types of alerts. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Viewer Join. This is the notification sound that plays whenever someone starts watching your stream or activity. Simply switch this toggle off. As soon as you do, Discord will stop playing the Viewer Join sound while leaving all of your other notification sounds exactly the way they are. There's no need to save your changes because Discord applies them automatically. If you don't immediately see the sounds section, try scrolling through the notifications page, since the location of certain options may change slightly after updates. If you ever decide you want the sound back, just return to the same menu and turn the Viewer Join toggle back on. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off the Discord join sound and can now enjoy a quieter streaming, gaming, or study experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,